So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Zobo drink. Super sweet and delicious. So this is my Zobo flower. So I'm going to be washing it with I'm going to be raising it with cold water because in case there is sand on the bottom of my Zobo. And I also have my pineapple. So first and foremost, I'm going to wash my pineapple and I will start slicing it like this, as you can see in the video. And after that, I am going to cut it and blend some. But don't forget, I'm adding the back of my pineapple inside my Zobo flour. So I'm going to cut it and blend half of it, and I'll keep the remaining half in my freezer. I have to chop it a little bit because my blender is small, and so that it will blend well. So after that, I'm using grounded ginger for this recipe. So that thing that I added now, I added my clove. So I'm adding my ginger right now, and I added some water, and I put it in the pot and close it. Then after 25 minutes to 30 minutes, my Zobo is already out. So I'm going to filter it. You can please, if you have iron filter in your house, you can make do of it. I'm using what I have in my house. So I'm going to filter it, and I'll start mixing the rest of my ingredients. Zobo drink is very easy and fast to make. So I'm going to filter my pineapple juice. I want the juice for my Zobo. Then I'll throw off the chaff. You can also eat the chaff, it's sweet. So I'm going to add it into my Zobo. And after that, I'm going to start adding my Zobo flavor. If you have orange in your house, fresh orange, you can use fresh orange, but I like using this. So guys, please, if you love this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updated whenever I post a video. So I'm going to stir up my Zobo and allow it to cool down. After it's finished cooling down, I'm going to transfer it into a can and put it in my fridge. Oh my god, when my Zobo gets cold, is the best. See you guys in my next channel. I hope you learned a lot from this.